I think it's a server that can hide the IP of, can take the IP of the remote server and give a different IP, its own IP, and interact with the external server or something like that.
Right. So no issues. So I will tell you very clearly what is the web proxy server or proxy server. Squid is a proxy server that caches content to reduce bandwidth and load web pages more quickly. I mean, it is a high performance proxy caching server for web clients supporting FTP, Gopher, HTTP data objects. So remember guys, so proxy server means generally that server has three responsibilities. Proxy server have three responsibilities. One is a simple proxy server. The meaning is it is used to share the internet connection. It is used to share internet connection. So you want to share internet connection in the environment, people to use the word proxy server. And the second main responsibility of the proxy server, a caching as a web server. Caching as a web server means it is used to store web pages locally to improve performance. And finally, a firewall. So firewall means to control access to the internet. So simply it is called what? To filtering websites. So to blocking websites. So these are the what three responsibilities of proxy server. Fine. But every proxy server, here is the what architecture like. Generally a proxy server sitting between internet and your clients. I mean, this is the word one organization. In the organization, multiple systems are there, but every system, I mean, getting internet connection from the proxy server only, but the direct internet connection attached to proxy server, but between internet connection and clients, so we have a what? Proxy server. I mean, here we can configure the what? Proxy server. So generally proxy server responsibilities are the what? Web filtering, simple internet sharing connection, and caching as a web server. So that's why, for example, if the client gives you a request, what is the request? www.facebook.com. Then what happens? The system immediately send a request to proxy server. So the proxy server will collect the web page directly from the internet. So then it will store the word caching in the word proxy. But next time onwards, any request from the client to proxy server, then proxy server respond immediately. That's why the second time every page will load very quickly and fastly. What is the reason? The proxy servers maintain caches. The proxy server maintain caches. So the main responsibilities are two. What are the two responsibilities? Caching as a web server, and the second responsibility, sharing internet connection, and the third responsibility, filtering web pages. Okay, so you want to configure web servers, I mean proxy servers. What are the prerequisites? So the package name is Squid. Squid is a package name. And for startup options for the packages, /etc sysconfig squid. But the main configuration file for the proxy /etc/squid/squid.conf. And cache location is /var/full/squid. I mean every caching location in the location where full squid. And where is the log file? /var/log/squid. But within this log, we have two logs. So what are the two log files? The first one is access log and second one is cache.log. And port number running with 3128. Squid port number 3128. Okay, these are the what configuration requirement. And what are the main configuration options? I mean, within the proxy server, HTTP port is required. I mean, it's running with port number 80 because of we want to access the website, 80 is required. But Squid server running with 3128. And we have two important keywords, ACLs and HTTP access. So these three keywords are the what main configuration file options. main configuration options. But how to use these keywords and how to use these configuration files and everything I will explain step by step. Okay, so as usual, so this is my server. Okay, now the server IP address is, right now this computer IP address is 192.168.10.11. Even I want to check the what internet connection for this. So google.com. So let me test. Okay, now internet connection is there. So I want to cancel, Control C. Okay, so first important thing, I want to install the what Squid server. What is the package name? M install. It is called what? Squid space -y. Install the what Squid package first. So now the Squid package successfully installed. Then how to find it? RPM space -q. The package name is Squid. So now it has installed successfully. Then what is the first requirement? I mean, I told you proxy act as the three responsibilities. The first one is sharing internet connection. So how to sharing internet connection to clients, right? So first open the configuration file /etc/squid/squid.conf. So this is the main configuration file. Within the squid.conf file, so where to write the rules for the internet connection? See this, under line number 48, insert your own rules here to allow access from your clients. I mean, who are allowing to proxy server. So now I want to write the word two rules. The every rule source with ACL, destination with HTTP protocol. Okay, let me write first ACL, like I want to allow the internet. So by internet connection name is my network. The internet connection name is my network. It is a user defined name. And space SRC. SRC is a syntax keyword. I mean, which network you want to allow. So you want to allow any particular network, then network ID is writing with SRC keyword, source keyword. Okay, who are allowing? 192.168.10.0/24 network will allow, or 192.168.0.0/16 network will allow. We are allowing 192.168.0.0 network. Or you want to write any particular subnet only, then we can use the what my subnet is 10.0. Then every ACL opposite rule is must to with HTTP underscore access. HTTP underscore access. Then I want to allow or deny. I want to allow. So which network you want to allow? I want to allow my network. I want to allow my network. So here the user defined name is my network. So the network ID is I have defined 10.0, but I want to allow my network. My network is nothing but 10.0 we are allowing. So now we have added successfully internet connection. Okay, so how to confirm it? Just save the file. Save the file and even see here HTTP, the port running with 3128. The port running with 3128. First save the file and then start the network systemctl and start. It is called what? Squid is the package name. So now Squid has started, and even I want to allow the what Squid package, which is enable. And finally verify the status of the Squid package. It is called what? Status running. Then how to verify the port number? It is called netstat with PANTL. Then enter. See that 3128 port is what? Opened with Squid. So perfect and everything running. Now how to setting proxy server IP address. So in the internet connection, I mean in the web browser, in the web browser, under settings, here is the what settings option, and scroll down the what settings page. Here network settings option, settings. So no proxy settings are here. I mean, there is no proxy, but I want to use the what manual proxy configuration. My IP address is 192.168.10.11, which is running with port number 3128. I mean, this system will getting the internet connection through 10.11 IP address. For example, multiple clients in the environment. Every system browser running with what? Proxy server IP address only. Okay, then when the system running with proxy server, then internet will share, and also they are accessing the what caching features and also filtering websites. Okay, so now my proxy server address is 10.11. Okay, and then close the what? Your settings. So let me try. I mean, internet is allowed or not? Google.com. So now my internet is perfectly working. I mean, it's working. This is called what? To sharing internet connection. I mean, which clients you want to allow. This is the first option. So to sharing internet connection. And now the second important feature, caching as a web server. So caching as a web server means, so how to hold your web pages. For example, you want to load the what previous pages very fastly and quickly, then definitely company to maintain the what caching. So when the people maintain the what caching, then even to save the what bandwidth, save the time and a lot of things. Then how to enable the what caching as a web server? So again, in the same etc squid.conf file, in the configuration file, we have multiple options are there. I mean, caching as a web server means we have one option here, see, cache directory UFS in the location of where spool squid is the location. Within this location, 100, I mean 16 and 256 is the what keywords. Okay, let me uncomment this line. Then within this location, it will create, I mean, the speed of cache is 100 MB, and within this location, it will create 16 folders, and within the 16 folder, 256 subfolders are there. So remember these three key values. The first one is indication speed, and second one is the what? Parent folder, and within the folder 256 subdirectories for storing the what caches. So now save the file, and now let me restart my cache. I mean, systemctl restart squid is the option. Okay, my Squid server has started. Then let me go in the location of where spool, it is called what? Squid. In the Squid location, we have 16 folders, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And even each 16 folder, we have 256 subdirectories. See this. So these folders to contain your caching information. Okay, how much speed? With 100 MB, right? So that is called what? Information of 100, 16, 256. Fine. So within this folder, I mean, under where's full Squid location, your caching pages are there. I mean, your pages are located in this location. This is called what? The second benefit of caching as a web server. That what is the third important thing? It is called what? Firewall. Firewall is nothing but web filtering. So this is the what main feature. So in the real environment, mostly the bad sites are not working. I mean, people to restrict unauthorized websites, people to restrict completely bad sites in the real time. So how do people to deny bad sites? I mean, how to restrict the word bad sites? So then you will use the word proxy server. So this is the what the third benefit. That is called what think web filtering. Think web filtering. Okay. So how to think web filtering means in the same location /etc squid in the squid.conf file, I want to write something in the rules. I mean, under rules, like for example, every rule again ACL. For example, I want to block the one website. That website name is bad site myself. That user defined name bad site. Your wish ABC123 or anything. But I want to block the website. That's why the websites are URLs. The keyword syntax keyword is URL regex. Then which website you want to block it? So websites are, you want to block with any particular website. First write the word dot. Then first I'm not interested facebook.com. So that's why I want to block the word facebook.com. In case if I allow the word facebook.com, I mean most of the employees will spend the time on the word Facebook in the company work time. So that's why I want to close the word facebook.com in the word organization environment. So I want to block the word facebook.com. Then this website how to block? Do you want to allow or deny? I mean under HTTP access, this is called what deny. Then deny facebook.com means it is called what? Bad site. It is called what? Bad site. Okay, the same site name here, dark site. So this is the way to blocking the what website. And second important role, I mean, you want to block the what multiple websites, definitely you will follow like this. But how many rules you can write like this? Because in nowadays in the web environment, you know, multiple bad sites are there. So now I want to, I mean, write the word simple way, bad sites is my keyword. Even these are the word URL regex. So I want to create a one file. I mean, the file name is etc squid. It is called what? Squid. Otherwise, it is called what? Bad sites list is the file name. Bad site list is the file name. Then what happened? I will create a what this what this text file, and within the text file, I will add the what my bad sites list. So now in the opposite role, HTTP again underscore access to deny. It is called what? Bad sites. It is called what? Bad sites. So now let me copy this file and save the rules. And now we want to create a that particular text file. So within the text file, I mean some already bad sites are there. So now I want to like add the word bad sites. Like, okay, I want to close first youtube.com. What is the reason? So if I allow YouTube, that it is called what? Streaming workload. Streaming workload means the bandwidth is completely will be wasted. The bandwidth will be wasted. So that's why I want to block the what? youtube.com. And even I don't want to allow any personal web emails, because the people need to open in the company only, company emails only. I mean company emails means your personal it is called what? Work related emails only. Gmail, Yahoo, we are not allowed. So like you know that what are the bad sites and everything you can write here. So this file to use the what bad sites names. Then sampling, I have two sites, and even I want to block the what fb.com. Even if I block the what facebook.com, some people you don't know that the fb.com also. So now let me close my bad sites list. So now finally I want to load this page, systemctl restart. It is called what? Squid. Systemctl restart. It is called what? Squid. Okay, the sites has reloaded, and let me open again. It is called what? Google.com. Internet is perfectly working, but I want to open Facebook.com. So what about this Facebook.com? The requested URL could not be retrieved, so access is denied. And even you can try with YouTube.com. So YouTube also blocked, but you can open with other websites. So crickinfo.com. So remaining all are allowed. Only what I have blocked, what I have restricted. So everything is what denied. So this is the proper way. So in the environment, when the people are trying to access the what any other website, they will get the what messages like this. The requested URL could not be retrieved. The error, I mean, the website is denied, access is denied. Because how it is possible means administrator backend to block the websites like this. Fine, everything is working fine. Then I want to write some other rules in the configuration file. Like people in the ACL, for example, bad host. The meaning is within this network, every system can access the what internet. But in the network 192.168.10.100 system, not allowed internet connection. I mean, in the HTTP underscore access deny, it is called bad host. So this host is not allowed to internet connection. I mean, internet is not allowed. So same even ACL, for example, bad time. So it is called what time based. So I want to deny the what internet connection. I mean in the night. I mean evening 6 o'clock to night 23. I mean night 23, 59 minutes. I mean 24 hours format. So evening 6 o'clock to and 23:59 minutes, internet is not allowed. So even in the HTTP underscore access, it is called what deny. The simple time is bad time. Otherwise, I want to allow. It is called what 12 o'clock to. I mean 12 o'clock means it is called what 002 in the morning 6 o'clock. It is called what 0600. So this time internet is not allowed. So like people to manage internet connections in the environment like this. Okay, fine. So this is the word how to blocking the what websites. Even some people are writing in the single line, all deny keywords are like it is called what bad host, bad sites, I mean bad site. So all keywords even in the single line. I mean no need all are deny options. People like writing like this. This is also correct. They are writing the word single line. Deny lines are here, allow lines are here. Okay. So this is the one way how to managing the what internet connection. I mean how to blocking the what websites. Then the another important role, I mean the second important role, for example, I want to add some roles like, sir, anybody trying to open maybe youtube.com or any other some websites. So the page redirect to any other website. The page redirect to any other websites. So I mean what I'm saying, you need to write the what some rules. Let me write first. ACL, for example, block site. ACL block site. It is a DST domain, destination domain. When the person trying to access yahoo.com, when the person trying to reach yahoo.com, but the page redirect to, I mean, it is called what deny information is the syntax. So the page redirect to http:// okay, actually for example my company is ibm.com, or simply the page redirect to, it is called what, google.com, or the page redirect to my company ibm.com, and then all. So simply http underscore, it is called what, reply underscore access is the keyword. So then space, it is called what, allow, it is called, I don't want to allow, I want to deny this block site. I mean this URL is the what, block site, that block site on. So this is an excellent keyword, even people to maintain this kind of words. I mean when the person trying to access the what website like yahoo.com or any other website here, the page redirect to automatically our company home pages, or simply people to keep the www.google.com. So let me try. So save the file and systemctl restart Squid. And now go to web page. Okay, so go to web page, and now I'm trying to access yahoo.com. Then the page redirect to automatically ibm.com. Great. See that the web page redirect to ibm.com. So you want to keep it as home page, like your company home pages. This is the proper way. So this is called what, web server. I mean catching as a web server, simple internet sharing server, and web filtering server. Overall proxy server. But where is the logs? The logs are where log, Squid. Under we have two logs, access log and cache log. So now the access log maintain who are access the what websites. See that the website is visited by 192.168.10.11. Okay, this is the what information. So overall logs are here on. Okay, and one more concept. I mean, I will explain. Another one is scheduling jobs. I mean, we have a last pending concept, scheduling jobs. What is meant by scheduling jobs? Getting started with scheduling jobs. So this concept also an important, because in the real environment, you will take the what backups, you will execute your scripts, or you will shut down the what systems at any particular time or particular date at particular month or anything. Then we will follow the what scheduling jobs. So in the scheduling jobs, Linux almost support three tools. I mean three utilities. But generally people don't know what is the attend batch. But everyone uses cron jobs, cron and anacron only, but just about theoretically attend batch. So simply scheduling jobs also known as automating system tasks. You want to execute any activity at particular time or particular date or particular month, then automating system tasks. But tasks also known as jobs, correct? But in the Red Hat Linux offers three system task utilities. One is at command, second one is batch command, and the third one is cron and anacron. But important is cron and anacron only. But what exactly mean by at jobs? So at jobs are one-time jobs, guys. One-time task. I mean, sir, tomorrow 11 o'clock morning, I want to execute one activity. Then one-time activity. So after 11 o'clock, I don't want this activity. I mean, in the next day, even I don't want. Only one time. Tomorrow 11 only I want to execute. Then we can use the word at jobs. At jobs are one-time jobs. Once job is successfully completed, it will remove automatically from the list. Okay, generally the syntax of the at jobs, at space options, then these are the what options to write. But in the environment, people to use the word just cron jobs only. So directly I will go for the word cron jobs. But please understand here, at jobs, you want to execute at jobs. But in the PDFs, I will give you the what 2 or 3 examples about at jobs. But don't focus on the what at jobs. Please be focused on the what only cron jobs. In everywhere, only cron tabs. And why cron tabs means I will explain. And the second task is batch jobs. So batch jobs are again one-time jobs, but these jobs will execute at system load averages less than 0.8%. So remember, simply the batch jobs will execute when the system load average is less than 0.8%. The meaning is the what? When the system is free, then the jobs will be executed. But batch jobs doesn't follow any time intervals. When the system is free now, then job will execute immediately. But if you schedule the job, maybe after 3 days or 5 days, the system will be free. That time only jobs will execute. But simple point, when to execute these jobs? When the system load average, that means CPU utilization is greater than or equal to 0.8% interval time only, it will execute. So batch does not accept any parameters like time intervals. That's why even people don't know batch jobs also. But the very important jobs in the environment, only cron and anacron. Why cron jobs? So generally cron jobs are recurring jobs, recurring tasks. Recurring task means repetitive jobs. Okay, every day, night 12 o'clock, I want to take backups. Then you want every day. Every day means what? It is 100% recurring job. Okay, every day morning 6 o'clock, I want to start your one server automatically. Or every day or every month first day, I want to execute one shell script. Or I want to execute one Python script. Or I want to pass the one message. Then we will use the word cron jobs. Those are people are calling cron tabs. But what is meant by anacron? So anacron is what? Another service. It's working with cron jobs. Generally, for example, if I schedule a job tomorrow 11 o'clock, but at 10:15 and 11 o'clock is my job time. But at 10:15, the system will be down. Just assume the system will be down. Then what about your job? So when the system is down, definitely the jobs will be stopped. But the anacron is the what? On another hand, when will you turn on your computer, the anacron automatically executes all pending jobs. So the job is then executed as soon as when the system is up. When the system is up. So that is called what? Another service in the computer of anacron. So when the system is perfectly running, no doubt, cron jobs will execute everything. But any jobs are pending, maybe power failure or system time failure or any maybe something went wrong. Then in another hand, anacron is running. That anacron automatically will execute the jobs when the system is turned off. So that is the meaning of anacron. Fine. And you want to schedule the jobs with cron tabs. So what are the formats? So the first one is minutes from 0 to 59 because per hour 60 minutes. And how many hours per day? 24 hours, 0 to 23. How many days per month? 1 to 31 because maximum is 31. How many months per annum? 1 to 12. 1 is Jan, 12th December. And a day of week from 0 to 7, or some people are calling 1 to 0 to 6 or 1 to 7. Here 0 or 7 is Sunday. Then 1 Monday and 6 Saturday. And only Sunday is optional, either 0 or 7. And what is the username to execute? I mean, which jobs running by ROM or root or anything. It is the field is optional. And command to be executed in the last field. Okay, these are the what cron tab formats. In interviews, people will face the what cron tabs formats interview question. So what are the cron tab fields? We need to explain one by one field. And what is the syntax of the cron tab? Cron tab space, option space, -u space user. So the options are -e, -l, -r, -e, edit to, list to, remove, prompt of interactive method. Okay, now I will show you practically. So how to execute cron tabs. As usual, in the same system. Okay, how to open the cron tab editor? Cron tab space -e is the option to editor cron tabs. So in the cron tab, completely empty field. So how to write cron tab fields? For example, year 30, first field is minutes, but one space is mandatory between fields, but I'm using tab key for more space. And second field star, means second field is hours. And the third field also star, it is called what day of month. And fourth field also star, it is called what months. And fifth field also star, it is called what day of week. And if I write the what username RAM and then write the what command name, for example date command, actually this is the what syntax format. Then what is the meaning here? The date command will execute every day, every month, every hour 30 minutes. In every hour 30 minutes, I mean every 30 minutes, the date command will executed by user ROM. I mean this job will executed in the ROM user, But this username is optional. In case if you don't write the what any username here, if you don't write any username, the current user will execute this job. I mean the current user is root. Root will execute this job. But if you write any username, that job belonging to that particular user. Okay, these fields are mandatory. Username is only optional. Okay. And what is my second field? And every 15 minutes at 11 o'clock, even star means on, the command is lsopt. See, job name is optional. We can write any job name. So then what is the meaning here? It lists all files under OPT at 11:15 every day. At 11:15 every day because its time is 11 o'clock and minutes is 15. Every hour 11 o'clock, 15 minutes, the job will execute. And for example, in the 59, night 23 minutes, so the workloads are very less. So that's why in the every month first date, in the every month first date, I want to run, even maybe that one is Sunday or Monday, I don't know. But I want to execute in the first date of every month. m update -y. Then system will update automatically. I mean, any pending updates are there. Every month, first date at night 12 o'clock, the system will be update. Or in the end of the month, the system will be update. Then, for example, in the 59, and people will write the word, for example, 13, 15, and only 22nd date to 25th date, and 11th month only. So I want to execute one activity in this time. Okay, my activity is under OPT. I have a one script. In the script.sh file is there. I have a one shell script, but script contains something. That is the different story. But I have a one script. This script will execute at 11th month only. 11th month, 22nd date, 23rd date, 24th date, 25th date range. But only at 159 and 359 it will execute it. Comma means these two times. Hyphen means range. Please remember. And next, I want to execute only star 6, 7. I want to print a message. Echo, today is a weekend. Today is a weekend. See this? Every 1 hour, I mean 59 minutes. 6 is Saturday, 7 is Sunday. It will print the word message. Echo means what? It will print message. Today is a weekend. Today is a weekend every 1 hour. Okay. Even I want to print one great message. 59/23 and 31st and 12th month. We don't know exactly day. It is Monday or Tuesday. I don't know. But I want to print the message. It is called what? Happy New Year. Okay. So the system will pass the message to people. Happy New Year. At what time? Monday or Tuesday, we don't know. System will consider it based on this time. That's called 12th month, December, 31st date at 23:59 means 12 o'clock. It will display the message. So this is the way people are scheduling the what jobs. In each line, one job. In case in Linux already you know that the single comment line is, it is called what? Hash. Hash is a single line comment. Now this job will not execute. But you don't want to execute any particular job. Then people what to do? To keep the what comment line. But don't delete it. In case if I delete it, if I delete this line, but next time, again I want same job, but I don't know how to write a job, then definitely I will struggle. So that's why don't delete any existing jobs. You don't want to execute, keep the comment line. Then how to save the jobs? In the shift colon WQ exclamation. So what jobs are scheduled? Cron tab -L is the option. So now these are the jobs scheduled. But again, you want to modify the jobs. Cron tab -E. Again to edit the word jobs. Okay, this job I don't want to execute at 11:15. I want to execute at 11:30. Okay, so I think you got it. What are the fields of cron tabs? And next, even you don't know how to schedule the jobs. Sir, little confused I have. I mean, still I have confusion. The third field is it months or day of month or weekdays? Actually, first field minutes, second field hours is okay. But you don't have any internet connection, even to verify the what? In Google. Then we have one reference file, even in the etc cron tab file is there. Under etc cron tab file is there. In the cron tab file, we have fields. First field, minutes. Second field, hours. Third field, month. Say everything is there. Command to be executed in the last field. But Sunday is the what? 0 or 7. But these jobs are root user can execute. This is the what variable path. And which cell is executing this job? Bash shell. Just this is the what reference file. And next, in case you don't get any jobs, I mean output is not there, then simply to verify the what systemctl status, it is called what cron d service, because cron tabs are running by cron d service. If the cron d service is not running, so the jobs will not execute. Remember this point. So when the cron tab service is running, then definitely you will get the what outputs. So let me show you one example. I mean how to redirect the what outputs of the cron tabs. So I want to redirect the output. Generally, in the real environment, people will get the what outputs to emails. I mean they will maintain the what separate links for the emails. I mean people are getting the what outputs through emails, like in the Jenkins server, something people to use the what different third party tools. Okay, now here I want to get the what output. Like let me again create what one more job. Just now I told you it is called what 01. I mean star and fourth field also star and fifth field is star. But sixth field is I want to print a message. What is the message? Like my beautiful message is Linux is a freedom. Okay, I like this statement. Linux is a freedom. Okay, and now this output, I mean, will execute. This command will be execute every day, every week, every month, and every hour, 1 minute. I mean, people are writing 01 means now we are thinking about every 1 minute. Every 1 minute means, for example, here star, every hour 1 minute. The meaning is every hour 1 minute. For example, now time is 8:52. Then already 8 o'clock 1 minute is completed. So now this job will execute at 9 o'clock 1 minute, and the next output at 10 o'clock 1 minute, and next output at 11 o'clock 1 minute, like this. This is the meaning of every hour 1 minute. No, actually I want to execute this output every minute. I mean now 8:53. I want to get the output 8:54. Again I want to get 8:55 in every 1 minute, not within the hour 1 minute. So then we have the another one, star by 01. The star by 01 means you will get every 1 minute. So 53, 54, 55, 56 within the minute, within the hour. But I want to redirect this output into particular file under the OPT location. Okay, my file name is output.txt file. Output.txt file. So now this command output is redirected to output.txt file in the OPT location. So generally outputs are redirect to some particular files even in the environment. Then save the file. In the save the file, let me go in the OPT location. I mean first we will check cron tab -l. This is my job. And in the OPT location, so now we don't have any file name output.txt. But now 8:54, I think at 8:55, you will get your one file in the location. That file contains Linux is a freedom. So let me test. Okay, at 8:55, you will get it because I have specified every 1 minute, not within the hour 1 minute. Every 1 minute, I want to get it. Now 8:55. If I check ls, great. Output.txt file is created. So how do you know that? If I open output.txt file, what is the statement? Linux is a freedom. So this is called what? Output redirections. So you want to save the outputs in particular files, this is the way. Or some people what to do, they will give you the what mail IDs here. I mean here it is not possible. In the environment, people to provide the what mail IDs. Okay, this is called what? Output redirects. And another important point, You want to schedule your jobs for any particular users. You want to schedule a job for the users, normal users. Okay, I'm an admin right now. Here it is called what? Cron tab space -L. So cron tab -L displays the current user jobs of the root user. But you want to verify any particular user jobs. Okay, I want to find the what? ROM user jobs. Is there any jobs for the ROM user? No. Then how to schedule a jobs for the ROM user? Here, even from the root user, cron tab -E editor. If you don't write this option, the jobs you are writing for the current user. But now I have specified the what -U username of the ROM. Now we are scheduling the jobs for the user ROM. I mean, ROM user will execute a one script. So that script is important. Maybe that script is under OPT python.py file is there. I mean, we have a one Python script. So every 1 hour, the job will executed by user ROM. I mean, ROM user can execute python.py file at every 1 hour. Or maybe this user will execute the script at every day, night 12 o'clock. So this time the job will execute. So save the file. Here I have scheduled the jobs for the user ROM. Now check it. This job is for user ROM. And even you can write the word root user job is different. And you don't write the word any message, I mean any username. Currently it displays the word current user. Even you are scheduling the jobs for the word different users also. So this is the what another method to scheduling the jobs for the users. And the last one is every normal user can execute cron tabs. So actually cron jobs not only for the root user, the jobs for the normal users also. I mean, let me show what I'm saying exactly. In the new Windows section, for example, here su space, I want to switch username Raju. So now I have successfully switched to Raju user. Okay, Raju thinking about scheduling the jobs. So then again, cron tab space -E. So already Raju user has one job. For example, it open. So Raju is running the what jobs. And even to print the message, okay, this job, this ls command every 1 minute and also every 1 hour 1 minute also. So I have scheduled 2 jobs for the user Raju and save the file. So my concern is here, please understand the normal users also running cron jobs. But the manager or team lead what says, and please restrict user Raju should not able to writing cron jobs. But everyone can write the cron jobs. But please close the what, please restrict the what user Raju. Raju only to restrict the what cron job. But remaining can everyone can access. But how to restrict user Raju should not allow the what cron jobs. So in the admin level, we have another file under etc cron.deny. We have cron.deny file is there. So this file to maintain deny users, enter. So already the username here it is called what Raju. Or you want to even restrict the what username ROM. Okay, who are denied. So please write the what usernames here. So now Raju has denied. So just I have write the what username Raju only. Now let me try the Raju user to cron tab -E. What happened here? I mean Raju not allowed to use this program because they have restricted. And even you want to keep the comment line for the user because I want to allow, then simply here is the what now allow. So finally the file is come perfectly working who are denying the what cron tabs. And even another file is there, that file name is here allow, but by default cron tabs maintain cron.deny file only. But this cron.deny file maintain deny users. But if you create cron.allow file, then system doesn't consider cron.deny because only one file is working. For example, one user is existing in the deny file and allow file. Then that user is allow or deny? Allow only. Because the system inside by default deny is there. But when the user creates allow file, deny doesn't consider. So when to use this allow option and deny option? So for example, I have 100 users are there. But out of 100 users, I want to deny 5 users. 5 users are deny and remaining 95 users are allow. But better to write the word 5 users in the deny file or better to write the word 95 users in the allow file. But both are correct. Please think about your workflow. Okay, I want to simple write 5 users in the data file. If I write the word these 5 guys in the deny, automatically 95 people are allowed. So think like that. But best to use, it is called what deny file only. But by default, everyone to allow. But when the person to create allow file, automatically deny file is doesn't consider. I mean the OS doesn't consider deny file. So this is the way, proper way to maintaining the what? Cron tabs in the real environment. But again, the cron tabs are very important. So you want to deny the word cron jobs all, cron tab space -r to deny all cron jobs. So no cron tabs are here. Okay. So this is the what overall your syllabus of Linux admin. So I think you got it, each and every concept very clearly. And in case you want to take reference again, and better to watch the videos. I mean, no need to go for the videos. We have beautiful PDFs are there. Even to take the what reference of your PDFs, I mean material. Each concept material is there. I mean PDFs are there, including with practicals. And please take the what reference. Even these PDFs, 100% it helps you in the real time also. The same process in the even real time, the same commands people to apply. So please keep the what your PDFs. And even your doubts are not clarified with PDFs, then you will come to the what video references. And don't waste your time every time to watch the what videos. Just take the what reference of the PDFs. That is my best suggestion. Because again, you want to take the practice with same video, but every class 1 hour video is there. 1 hour video means definitely at practical time, you will spend the time 2 hours to 3 hours. Time waste. But already we have listening is already completed. But you know already what is the concept of cron tabs, web servers and everything. You want just reference only. Reference means better to read the what PDFs. So while doing practice, any issues are there and watch the read the PDF and try to troubleshoot it. But even n number of times you have applied, then come to the what video and play the what again. Don't come to the what beginning. So where exactly after 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes in the error. So that is the better way to take the word practice. And don't think like a kid. Okay, people are like, they are watching beginning to ending every time. It's completely time waste. Think like professionals. Okay. So I think you are satisfied with Linux courses. But if you have any queries, please ask me now. Guys, please ask me if you have any queries. And please tell me, are you happy with the syllabus, first of all? Hey guys, are you there?
I'm happy. I'm glad for I learned a lot. I just want to ask if with this course, one can work successfully as a Linux admin.
Right. Next. Hey guys, what happened?
Sir, one thing, any source of contact we will have if we have any further queries. So, so can you share your contact details or we can connect any doubts here?
So, you have any queries and please contact me 9848 36
Just
3431
9848.
36 3431.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, and please take the what reference of the materials.
Yes.
And don't ping me like with it is called what is silly points like. And
Yeah,
if you have
definitely.
like a critical task, then definitely reach me, because even my schedules are very busy, training with working. So definitely it is called what busy schedules. So please understand in my side, and 100% I will help you in case if you have struggling with what any critical issues. Okay.
Sir, with this Linux admin classes is completed.
Right.
Okay, sir.
So today is my last class. Even as per content, everything I have covered. Right.
Fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Can you pin me a number, sir, in a Zoom meeting? This chat box.
Okay.
We'll save it.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Right, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. All the best to all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ram. Thank you.
And happy Teachers' Day, sir.
Hey, my God. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Right, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much.